Hello, good evening. Uh, so this is the third trial. We are going to browse some websites. Let's look at our own website first. Uh, there are so many tabs open. That is why I have a lot of memory consumption. But let's see how effective the frame rates could be in this case. My website has a lot of graphics. Let's say some 3D elements built with Spline. I've integrated it on a WordPress website, uh, and I have designed my front pages with Elementor. So you could see these are some interactive 3D elements on the website, and this is built with Spline. I'm using a free version, so I couldn't remove this, but when you have a subscription, maybe for a month or maybe a yearly basis, however your business supports, then you could remove this. Also, there are alternative ways, but it's not preferred. You will lose the user experience, so it's a waste of time. And here we have some Flutter widgets. So what I've done is built some animations in past over, like few widgets, just the front end part. We don't have a back end code available for this. But yes, if you have the idea, this widget could help you get started with. And there's a lot of hours put into these widgets to create these animations. Please check out the whole library. Actually, here you can explore more widgets built by Flutter, built on Flutter, sorry. And then there are few services actually we can offer to our clients, which are app development, of course. With Flutter and Firebase are our expertise, and we have over 12 years of experience in the industry with clean architecture and multi-platform support like Android, iOS, and also web. So one code could solve all of those problems. Let's say the front end part could be done on the web, and backend we could choose with a custom backend with Node.js or maybe a Python Django. It depends completely on the uh, project architecture. And then we could offer a quick solution for any problem, like on a web development. We could offer SEO optimized stuff, and also a lot of WordPress website doesn't convert because they have a lot less SEO support on their website. There has a lot of optimization done in the backend, like the keywords and stuff, and how you manage your structure of the website, and yeah, a lot more things considers optimizing SEO part. And then of course the UX design. There are, we do a lot of testing before jumping into the UX, like we do a lot of interviews, like interviews for the founder, like what kind of solution he wants to provide, and do a lot of market research, like will that solution be a perfect market fit. And also we do a lot of interviews with the users for the front end part, where we see what kind of brands he are aware with, or let's see how many hours of usage we can find in a day. Like in 24 hours, if he uses Instagram or Facebook regularly, or maybe his office stuff or work stuff like Slack or maybe another management tools, if we consider those hours utilized and then the remaining hours utilized, and how we could fit into his lifestyle, is such kind of UX we prepare for. And then it's a step by step process, and you don't have to be confused about it. So yeah, it's simple. We collect information, that's it, about your business and users. That's what UX mean. And then yes, we are working on the AI integration parts. Like currently, we could provide solutions like chatbot. We have it's an AI chatbot. You could see here. I can chat like a customer. Like you don't have to keep a person working for this at the back end. When the issue is really important or a real person is needed, then you use or then a ticket would be raised automatically. It's all automated. Let's see, uh, I know nothing about this website and ask it what can you do. See, the Lyra is typing. It's an automated chatbot. Let's see what it answers. It's AI powered. ChatGPT 4 the is the current model, and we could switch between the models. It's an option. Let's say it says, "Hi, I'm Lyra agent. I can help you with evaluating your business app ideas, finding the right services of Flutter UI kits, product inquiries and pricing, technical questions about app development and automation. How can I assist you?" So this chatbot has a lot more context about my business into it, and it could give tailored replies to the customers. No real person is working behind it. It's all automated. And then we could ask, I have an app idea. Uh, what are your cost structures? It's a complicated question, but let's see what the AI could provide us with this. Maybe a real person would be, oh, no, we don't require a real person. Here it's a tailored reply for us. So let's say our development rates start at $20 an hour per skilled talent. Oh, okay, reasonable. And then we require 30% upfront payment, additional charges for tools and licensed assets, weekly, monthly detailed time reports. Would you like to share your app idea for tailored code? See, I mean, most of the cases, a real person or a top level management person could also be avoided. So it's not like AI taking your job, but it's something like your job is more optimized, and then you get real leads, and don't waste your time on whichever small informations your customers would require. But yes, your this could help a lot in conversions. And then okay, this is great. Let's see what we have. An ad, of course, and let's say real world problems resolved with tech plus design. Okay, so let's say we have an app idea but have no development team. So yes, we could definitely build an MVP for you using Flutter and Firebase if your idea is custom, of course in weeks and not months. Let's not waste time. That is why we have opted Flutter over other platforms. Let's say we could also go for React Native, but uh, that could take a lot more time, and then deep uh, research would be needed because React Native is completely not native, and Flutter uses its own uh, impeller engine or Skia engine, the old one, impeller engine to render widgets on your screen, and in performance wise it is much more better than React Native. So we choose Flutter over React Native, and then it's a complete solution like for iOS and WordPress and web part also. Just we have to design a responsive website, and if we are integrating with some native features, then that might not work well with web users. So we will have to divide those web use cases and mobile use cases separately for the project. But one code would help to optimize for both the sites. And then if your website doesn't convert or redesigning is needed, definitely we can do it, and we can also optimize your WordPress websites SEO with Rank Math, and Rank Math has also released an AI version of it. So please check that out. You can Google it or find it on YouTube also. And if you need videos, see, lot many times AI videos might not help. I know you could save some bucks on AI videos, but internet is cluttered with AI videos, and then people don't take them seriously as a business, but a content creator part of stuff. But we do a lot of informational videos, like 2D vector videos, a lot of uh, architectural videos explaining your project. So this might help. And if you need such kinds of AI automations in your workflow, you're welcome. Please, you could evaluate your startup idea or business idea on the chat section itself, or you could directly reach us or give an email on the contact stuff. We will reach out to you as soon as possible. Please give as much information as possible, and then please check out our shop with all those Flutter widgets. And blog section doesn't have much, but we are coming up with real tech solutions people are stuck up with, and they we can't make videos on them because they are so complicated, and we couldn't explain it on a video. But what we do is we create informational videos or some architectural chats to understand such complex stuff. So yes, just shop section would be really fun part for you. Please check out all those widgets. They are in video forms actually, and they are the demo of the widgets, and you could see much information in the description section of those videos. And that's it for the website part. You can also explore some social links here, and I'll definitely come up with a tutorial video on some Dart basics and Flutter tailored widgets. I'll explain you the basics of widget building, how stateless and stateful widgets work, and a little bit of basics about Dart programming language. So we will catch up in the next video soon. Thank you.